In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix EA Javelin Anti-Cheat Encountered an error. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes we can try. So fix number one is to repair the game files. So if you're using Steam, go ahead and open up Steam. And now once you've opened up your game, you want to go ahead and, once you open up Steam, you want to go ahead and click onto library and find the installed game on the left hand side. Now basically what we need to do is right click the game. I don't have the game currently on this account, but right click it, go to properties and then go to updates. Installed files. Now to the right of that, it's got an option here to verify the game's files are installed correctly. So go ahead and click on verify. And then from there, give that a few moments to verify the integrity of the game files. Similarly, if in the EA app, you can go to library, right click your game and select repair. Also, if you got any overlays running in the background, we want to go ahead and disable them. So this can be Discord overlays, NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlays, Riva, Tuner, MSI Afterburn, any antivirus real-time protection. Just go ahead and disable them to see if that's going to fix the issues. Now, fix number 3 is to go ahead and update Windows and drivers. So EA Anti-Cheat relies on Windows security and kernel systems. So basically, we want to do a search for settings, get into settings. Now we want to go ahead and click on Windows Update, bottom left hand corner. And now make sure your Windows Update is updated and got the latest version. If it says up to date, should say today's date and a green tick here. But if it says update, go ahead and download and install the updates there. Now when finished, you want to go ahead and restart your PC as well. Now the next fix is to update your display adapters or graphics card. So to do this, go ahead in the search, type in device manager and click onto it. Now a little pop-up should appear like so. From here, check on display adapters and then right click, go ahead and update driver. So for me, update driver, and then we want to go ahead and search automatically for drivers. So just click onto that. And now if there's any updates, it's going to mention that and say to get the update. But if you've got the best drivers installed, we can go ahead and skip this step. Now another fix we can try is to delete EA Anti-Cheat cache files. So sometimes a stale cache can cause issues. So what we want to do is on our keyboard, hit your Windows key and R, and now run is going to appear. And then from here, basically put in this string. So %program data, %\EA, and then hit OK. And now once you're in there, you want to go ahead and delete any anti-cheat folders, then restart and reinstall your EA Anti-Cheat.